A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goff.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, I'm going to read from the book we name Acts, chapter 1, from verse 1 to verse 11. Theophilus, in my first book, I write about all of the things where Jesus do and when he teach from the start till the day he get take up in heaven. That I did after Jesus used the Holy Spirit to tell him apostle them where him did pick, where him want them to do. After him did suffer dead upon the cross, him come back alive and show himself to him apostle them. Him prove to them in enough different way, say him alive. For about 40 days, him keep on a show amongst them, time after time, and talk to them about God's kingdom. One at the time, when him did a eat with them, him tell them, say, turn a Jerusalem and wait for what my father promised for you, the same sitting when me did tell you about. Cause John baptized people with water, but couple days from now, God I go baptize you with the Holy Spirit. So when they come together, they ask him, say, Lord, and now you're going to cause the Israelite them for rule again? Him said to them, say, I uncle my father one have the power to decide when that are going to happen. And he no allow uno to know that. But the Holy Spirit are going to come upon uno and fill uno up with power. And uno will tell people in a Jerusalem, Judea, Samaria, and all over the world about me. As him done said this to them, God take him up in a heaven right in front of them eye. And when him did a go up, one cloud hide him, so they couldn't see him no more. Them did still a look in at the sky when Jesus did a go up. When all of a sudden, two men were dressed in a white clothes come turn upside of them and said to them, say, uno man we come from Galilee. Why am I going to turn up here so? We don't know yet fasten upon the sky. That same Jesus here, when you see get take up from uno in a heaven, he will come back the same way, just like how you see him go up in a heaven. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.